Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be tinting the taillights on Alfa Romeo Giulietta. So we're gonna go from this right here to this in only a couple of hours of work. Now I already modded the headlights, and since the back end is all in red, I think that the tinted taillights would break it up nicely. Now to do this little mod, I'm not gonna use wrap. Instead I'm gonna use this black transparent spray. It's gonna help me cover some of the damage to the taillight lens. Besides that, it's also gonna help me get the desired shape, since I can adjust that just by adding layers. And the last reason is that I want to make this permanent. Now, since I think that removing the taillights would be easier than masking them off, I'm gonna start by removing these outer ones. Now once you remove this screw, you can just pull them out. So we got this one connected right here, and just pull this clip up to remove it. Now to remove the ones on the boot, I'm just gonna first remove this plastic cover. And we got two 10mm nuts that need to be removed. I'm also gonna undo this connector, so you got one plastic clip right here on the back. Just press it in and pull the connector out. Now to remove the taillight, you have to push this clip right here in, like that. And now you can pull the taillight out. Now we also can't forget about the third brake light, and to remove it I have to remove this plastic first. It's held in place with the plastic clips, so I'm just gonna pull them off. There it is. And essentially we got four 8mm nuts that we need to remove. So we got three right here, and the fourth one is right here. Now be very careful when removing these, you don't want to drop them inside. And now I can just pull this whole thing up. There it is. So you just pull the hose from the rear washer and undo this little connector right here. You can see you got one small clip on the side. First we're gonna start by getting rid of these bugs that you can see right here. Now the main reason why they get in there is this stupid design which left this big opening right here. Now to get them out, I'm just gonna remove the bulb holder by undoing this one Phillips screw first, and now you can just pull on this little clip and pull this whole thing out. Now to get them out, what I did, I got myself some compressed air. I put a little bit of tape right on the edge so I don't damage anything. Alright, so our next step is going to be sanding. I'm going to use 800 grit, 1000 grit and 1500 grit sandpaper. Now the goal here is to first remove these scratches on the taillights. I don't know how well can you see it on the camera. And also we got to remove the UV protective layer from the factory. Now keep in mind that that protective layer is going to be significantly thinner than the one found on the headlights. Alright, now since I'm gonna do wet sanding, since these taillights which are located on the boot are open, I had to protect them real well so no moisture can get inside. And you don't have to do anything to these. You can see that they are well protected. Alright, now I've wiped down everything with alcohol, and I've protected all of the plastic that I don't want any paint on. Next, I'm gonna start with spraying. Now goal here is to get that smoked effect. I don't want them completely dark, so I'm gonna go layer by layer and see what kind of result I'm gonna get. Now, one main thing that I gotta warn you about when it comes to this particular product: if you get uneven finish as I got right here, don't worry about it. This clear coat is very thin. It's almost as thin as water, and it evens itself out. And here's our end result. I gotta admit, it came out looking great, and I got that exact shade that I wanted, that smoked look without getting the taillights too dark. And I really think that this particular shade complements the Giulietta's taillights. Now, as I said before, the main goal was just to break up that overwhelming red on Giulietta's back, and then I think that I succeeded in that. Lastly, I want to show you that all of the lights are still perfectly visible, and that this shade is not too dark. These are gonna be our brake lights. These are our turn signals. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you find it interesting and useful. If you did, hit that like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of car enthusiasts.